Hello students, in the last session we have discussed about the adder and the subtractor, half adder, full adder and half subtractor and the full subtractor. In the yesterday's session we have discussed. In this session I am going to explain about the comparators. Comparators are the in the digital electronics, it is a very important for that one. Yes, the definition of the comparator is a digital comparator is a combinational logic circuits that is used for the comparison of two binary values. Basically, it generates the desired signal either low or high at the output when the compares two digital values provided at its input. Means that one, for example, in the last session, comparing between the two values or a two variables means subtractor. The difference can we take that one? Difference is a different and comparison is a different one. Which one is high, which one is low, which one is equal? This is a comparison. For example, can we take that one? If you want to take the cost of the pen, this is the one pen rate is 10 rupees and the one more pen rate is 5 rupees. The first pen is greater than the second pen. Otherwise, second pen is lesser than the first pen. Yes, both the pen's values are same, equal. This is a comparison. In the difference means in the subtractor you have seen yesterday's class. Yes, at the binary values, how can we use the which one is a higher, which one is a lower, and which one is a equal? Can we comparator is a use for the comparison between the two variables. In the two variables, if you use that one, it is called it as a single bit. In the three variables, can we take it? It is a 2-bit comparator. Yes, the majority of majorly a digital comparator is of the two types: identity comparator and magnitude comparator. Yes, identity comparator and the magnitude comparator. A digital comparator that compares only the equality of the two applied signals at its inputs is known as an identity comparator. In the digital comparator that compares only the equality, means this is equal to or not equal to, that is the identity comparator. Which one is higher, which one is lower, it is they will not take that one. Just it is equal or not equal, that just we have to see that one, that is called it as a identity comparator. It has two inputs, only one output pin, only one output, equal or not equal. If it is equal, high. If it is not equal, it is low. Let us see that one. It has two inputs and the one output. One output is a, if it is a high, it is a 1. If it is a low, it is a 0. The output pin shows a logic high signal when the two values are equal, otherwise it shows a low signal. More specially, specifically, we can say that one for two inputs P and Q. I am going to take that one. Two inputs are there. P and Q are two inputs. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. I am going to take that one. Just remove this one. P and Q. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. P equals to Q is how much? This is a high. This is a high. These two are 0. P is not equal to Q. 0, 0, 1, 1. This is the way to identification of this truth table. Can we call it as a identity identity comparator? Yes. This is a high. How can we use that one? The both are equal. That's why it is a high. Both are not equal. It is a, here the not equal is a high. Other remaining are the zeros. This is the way to identify this one for that one for this identity comparator. For example, I am going to use for the K-map for this comparator 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Yes, yes, high is a P is equal to Q 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. This is the, how can we use that one? P Q bar, P bar Q bar. Yes, P XOR Q. Can we write it? Yes, can we use it? XNOR can be used that one. P bar Q bar XNOR gate. Yes, P XNOR Q. P XNOR Q is a P equals to Q. P is not equals to Q. P XOR Q. That is used for the identity comparator. Yes, identity comparator. It is the output is low. K map for the P is not equal to Q is, how can we write it? P is not equals to Q. K map for this one. P bar Q plus Q bar P. It is a P XOR Q can be used. 0 0 0 1 0 1. Q bar Q, P bar P can be used. This is a XOR Q will for comes for the equation for the identity comparator. In the magnitude comparator is a magnitude comparator. It has used for the for one higher and the lower and the equal. It is the which one a point to point we have to calculate for that one. This is the magnitude comparator. Let us see that one. What is the definition of the magnitude comparator? Basically, a magnitude comparator makes the comparison by the considering the all the factors. It shows the result for the either greater, equal, or lesser than value by comparing the magnitude of two inputs. Hence contains three input pins, and accordingly any one of the three outputs pin of a magnitude comparator becomes high. Means three inputs are there, three outputs are there, two inputs are there. For a 1 bit magnetic comparator, in a 1 bit magnetic comparator, two inputs and three outputs, two inputs and three outputs in the single bit comparator. It is a two inputs, three outputs in the 1 bit comparator. 1 bit comparator. Yes, basically a magnitude comparator makes a comparison by the considering the all factors. It shows the result either greater, equal, or lesser than value by the comparing the magnitude of the two inputs. Hence the contains three output pins. Accordingly, any one of the three output pins of the magnitude comparator becomes high. Suppose P and Q are two inputs, magnitude comparator and the three outputs. P is greater than Q, P equals to Q, P is lesser than Q. And depending upon the comparison performance, any one of the given outputs will be high. This is a figure, block diagram of the two inputs are there, three outputs. P is greater than Q, P equals to Q, P is less than Q. Can we draw the truth table for that one? PQ 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. P is greater than Q. Where is that one? Here. P is greater than Q is here. Remaining all three are 0. P is equal to Q. First one and last one. Remaining two are 0. Yes. P is less than Q. Second one. Other three are 0. This is the truth table of the magnitude comparator of the 1 bit comparator. Yes, P and Q are there 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. P is greater than Q. Here the P is greater than Q, it is a high. Remaining all three are 0. Here the P equals to Q, 0 equals to 0, 1 equals to 1, high, high. Other two are 0. Here the P is less than 0, Q, 0, 1. This is the high. Other three are remaining 0. This is the way to write that one. Let us see the K-map for these equations. Yes, P is greater than Q. Is a This is a Q bar and Q, P bar and P. Here the P and Q bar are the only one bit, it is high. Next, it is a P bar and Q bar. This is a Q bar, Q, P bar, P. P bar, Q bar plus P, Q. It is a XNOR gate. This is a XNOR gate. It is a bubble comes like that. This is a XNOR gate. P bar, Q bar, PQ. Yes, this is a XNOR gate can be used for that one, for the equations. Can we write it like that? P bar, Q bar, P plus PQ. It is a XNOR gate, it is there. Yes. And one more equation for that one. P is less than Q. Yes, P is less than Q. Can we write it? Q bar, Q, P bar, P is P bar, Q is equations. This is a and not gate can be used. Can we draw the circuit is like that? This is a P. This is a P. This is a P bar. Q. Q bar it is there. Like that they have given. Otherwise, I am going to draw that one. P, P bar, Q, Q bar. Yes, this is a P, Q bar. is a AND gate. P is greater than Q. Next, P bar Q. P bar Q. AND gate here. P is less than Q. Right? Second one, P bar Q bar. P bar Q bar PQ. Q bar is a XOR gate. P, Q, XOR. Let us take that one. P can be take, Q can be take, XOR with a bubble. It is a P equals to Q can be taken like that. Q can be taken like that. P equals to Q. XOR gate. Yes, this is the way to draw that one for the 1 bit magnitude comparator. 1 bit magnitude comparator. 2 bit magnitude comparator. 2-bit magnitude comparator. For two inputs of 2 bit each, we will have a 16 possible combinations. Therefore, in this case, the output will show high and low value depending on the comparison of the 2 bits. 2 bits means it is 8 possible values, 16 possible values. So 16 possible values means 2 raised to 4 raised to 1 is 2. Here it is a 4 raised to 1. Yes, 4 raised to 2 is a 16 bit. 2 bit comparator means 16 possible combinations. Therefore, in this case, the output will show the high and low value depending on the comparison of the 2 bit value. If you understood the previous version, you can easy to understand the 2 bit magnitude comparator. For your syllabus, it is a 2 bit comparator, it is there. Comparison of the 2-bit values of the binary inputs. Here we have provided the decimal equivalent of 2-bit binary values for both inputs P and Q in order to have the simplicity in the comparison. By observing the table, you can clearly check the different conditions for the which the respective output is high. Like when both the inputs are same, either 0 or 1, then the output pin representing the P equals to Q will be high. Similarly, for all those conditions where the bit value of the P is greater than Q, then the output pin representing P is greater than Q will be only high. Yes, while when the magnitude of the Q get greater than P, then the respective pin representing the P is less than Q will be high, rest of other will be the low. So, in this way, comparison between the two given inputs performed in the magnitude comparator. Let us now see the K-map representation for the all three inputs separately. For P is greater than Q, can we see that one? This is the equation for that one. 4 inputs are there. 4 inputs are there. For example, block diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. P, P naught, Q, Q naught. 3 output. P is greater than Q. P is equals to Q. P is less than Q. And comparison between this one, it is the, I am going to do that one. Which one is greater and which one is lesser, which one is higher, can we see that one? I am going to take that one. 0, 0, zeros are the zeros. That is when it comes like that one, this one 0, 0, 0 is a 0. Here the P is less than P naught. P is less than P naught. It is 1. Yes. Next, P is greater than P naught. 2. P equals to P naught equals to 1. That is a 3. At the same way, I am going to take it Q value. Q is less than Q naught, that is 1. Q is greater than Q naught, it is 2. Q is equals to Q naught equals to 1, it is 3. Are you getting my point? Same way I am going to take it here. Here 0 0 0 0 is a 0. P is less than 1, P naught 1. Same. P is greater than P naught 2. P equals to P naught equals to 1, 3. Yes. Next same. 0 0 0. 0 1 1. 1 0 2. 1 1 3. 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. Comes like that one. 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 threes. Yes. In your, for example, in your exams, they will give that one. Any one of the group, they will give that one. Any one of the group. It is the high or low. ಇದ್ರ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ. ರೈಟ್. Comparison between the two. 0 0 is a P equals to Q is high. 0 1 less than 1 high. This is the less than 1. 1 is greater than. This one is a high. This way to draw the tabular column. You have to do it. Silently you have to sit in your home and you have to draw it, and method you have to understand. Yes, you can see the truth table, you have to get to know that one. How can you? Here it is a P naught equals to P equals to 0 is a 0. P is less than P naught, it is a 1. P is greater than P naught, it is a 2. P naught equals to P equals to 1, it is a 3. At the same way you have to do the Q naught and Q. Yes, you will get it these two. Which one is high, which one is low. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. It's the same of the 1 bit comparator. This is a K map for the P is greater than Q. This is a P1 P1 bar, P0 P0 bar, Q1 Q0 bar. Here this is a P1 bar, P0 bar, Q1 bar, Q0 bar. This is a bar can be used for this equations. Can we get to know that one? P1 P0. This is a P1, this is a P0. This is the first one is a Q1 and the Q0. This is the way they have drawn. After simplifying the equation P is greater than Q, this may ask for your examinations, multiple choice questions. This equation P is greater than Q ಯಾವ equation ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Better you can use for this XOR or XNOR. This is a XNOR. Yes, or gate. You have to concentrate on that one. P0 Q1 bar Q0 bar plus P1 Q1 bar P1 P0 Q0 bar. This is the equation for that one. Equations how to conclude that one. P1 P naught Q1 Q naught. This is the equations. They have, after simplifying all the equations, you have to get to know that one. P equals to Q, all are diagonals. Obviously the ಈ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನೋರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ನೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಆರ್. ಎಸ್, this is the P1 bar P naught bar Q naught plus P naught bar Q1 Q naught plus P1 bar Q can we use for that one. This is a circuit diagram of the comparator. Which one is a bar, how it comes, you have to see it properly. one ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡು. This one. The space is too low for that one. P bar P naught bar Q bar Q naught bar. This is the equation. What they have given, AND gate. P naught Q1 bar P naught, where it is here, the P naught Q1 bar, this is the Q1 bar, Q naught bar. These all three are the AND gate. AND gate. Next, P1 Q1 bar. P1 Q1 bar. Next one is a P1 P naught. This one is a P1 P naught and Q naught bar. This is the AND gate. These all three comes with the OR gate. This equations comes in the one equations. It's the same way. How to do it separately, it is a good, but in your this year you have a multiple choice, no need to draw this circuit. Yes, you have to just concentrate on these outputs. K-map answer, what will come, this K-map answer, what will come, they will definitely ask for that one. Yes, how to concentrate on that one. Yes, this is the way to understand the magnitude comparator, the definition of the comparator. Yes, and what, where will we call that one. P is greater than Q, output what will come, they will ask for your examinations. What is the output of the P is greater than Q? What is the answer for the K map? What is the equation of the P is greater than Q? They may ask for 2-bit comparator, they will ask for your examinations. That is a very important for that one. They will ask for that one. You have to be concentrate on that one. Yes, thank you. Please watch our videos regularly. And this year multiple choice questions are there. I'm going to, one more session I will take for that one. In the whole third unit I'm going to discuss about the some multiple choice questions. Okay, so please watch our videos regularly.